Are you wondering how to write a great narrative essay? It's easy if you follow the right steps. Start by coming up with an idea with vivid and imaginative details. The goal of a narrative essay is to tell the reader a story. A narrative essay is not the same as a story. Even though a narrative essay tells a story, it's still a work of nonfiction. The writer is expected to write about an experience that actually happened. A narrative story is one that is based on a person's experiences and is intended to tell a story that follows the same life cycle as the human life, with a beginning and end. Before writing your essay, consider the 5 elements of the narrative arc: exposition, rising action, climax, falling action, and resolution. Remember to use all 5 senses in your narrative: describing, taste, touch, sight, scent, and sound will bring your story to life. Don't let the reader down with an anticlimax. Do build your story with empathy and strong imagery. Don't use complex techniques to jump to parallel or inconsistent time periods. Do remember, your goal is to share an experience with your reader by telling a story.